my sexy legs on there.
Yeah. It's in. Let's see.
You're recording, Jeremy?
Yeah, this is live.
CCF has received a tremendous blow.
Indeed.
We found our yo-yo bucket out in the yard here. No yo-yos in it. Due to the flood, the CCF may not be fishing this Memorial Weekend.
Wow.
Good news for the Aldridge office.
You heard it here, folks.
Don't want to open our door. Afraid if we open our door, the water's gonna rush in there. I don't know if it's in there or not.
Oh my god.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I guess I can peek and see. I mean, it might be that deep.
I mean,
all the way in there.
right.
Yeah, I don't know. The concrete blocks have been moved.
God. Amazing.
Oh, shut it. I think that is.
Yeah.
Hell, I bet it's in there. Yeah, hell, it's not. Well, no, it's going in. It's going in.
Yeah, it is, but it's already in
Yeah,
there.
It's in there.
It's in there.
Yeah, it's in there.
Little couch might be right.
Oh man.
That's a new couch too. That ain't big.
Hey, yeah, I
You're
was.
half too old. Well, I was gonna walk out there on the dock.
This is what we need. More rain.
Gotta love it.
That was your dad coming or not?
Ah, I didn't look. I don't think he was.
No, it's only going to get higher.
Yeah.
Water has nowhere to go. You got all this going out of the dam, which the dam is as wide as here to that corner, you know. It's only been in the cabin twice. Once was Christmas to,
Oh yeah.
was it not this past Christmas, but the Christmas before it got in the cabin, and now this time. The
Wow.
cabin's been here 30 years.
That trailer needs to be burned.
Yeah. A lot of water.
About an inch to a feet in there right now. I guess it'd be two if we left the door. I hope that tile stays down.
Ooh, yeah.
Buckle.